My name is Upasana Arora. I am Director Yashoda Super Specialty Hospital. India is a beautiful country, and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is India's philosophy. We are one. Indian culture means Atithi Devo Bhava. We always welcome our guest. When somebody is coming as a patient to India, we don't want to treat just as a patient. We want to give him all love and care which we are providing to our guest. There is a report of CNN 2020, we are going to generate business of $9 billion as a medical tourism. These days people are preferring India because when they go to other places and when they come to India, they feel that difference, that human love, care, warmth, which is missing in other places. Technology is very good. I am really happy that we are using all technologies, but same time human touch is very important for healing. We are not providing only allopathy care. There is Ayush. We have holistic healing kind of things, Kerala Ayurvedic massages, some kind of yoga, Reiki, pranic healing. SCPC has a mission and vision statement, and I have to follow. My mission is to create this awareness to all countries through SCPC portal where they can find good hospitals. You know, when we talk about medical tourism, we should make sure somebody who is coming from different country, he should not get cheated here. He should reach a genuine hospital and he should get good treatment, affordable prices, and not only treatment. I just want to provide them a package, and through SCPC, I would like to help all those people who are living in other countries. They should know that India is the best place to come for healthcare. If you come to my hospital, Yashoda Super Specialty, you will find atmosphere is totally different. You will not feel that you are in a hospital. There is a Om chanting because Om has a healing power. It is proven. Yashoda is name of my mother-in-law, who was a cancer patient, and she died because of that. And 30 years back, there was no hospital in Ghaziabad. So my family suffered a lot. So in her memory, we started this hospital. It is our duty that we should do justice to them. We should give them transparent treatment. We should not hide anything from the relatives. So our vision is different from commercial things. We try to provide them best healthcare at affordable price with love, respect, and some personal touch. Just give good care to your patient. Just give him affordable prices. You need not to do anything else. Your patient is your brand ambassador. What I want from somebody, that I am giving to my patient. That is the mantra. 3H. What is in your head means what is your intention. So our intention is always good. What is in my heart means what I think about others. So we always think good for others. Then I talk about how your hand, my skills. So my doctors and my all staff is really skilled. We are keeping DM, MD, even all paramedics. They are my nurses are GNM or BSc. My doctors, they are really good. Yashoda is going to start 2 more projects. We have 3 hospitals. Now we are going to start 2 more. One will be 1000 bedded and one will be 300 bedded hospital. Same time I am going to start one different thing from the hospital setup. I am going to start one home for old age people where they can live with medical facilities. मुझे ऐसा लगता है समाज ने हमको बहुत दिया, तो अब वो वक्त है कि जहाँ पर कभी किसी को भी ज़रूरत है, ये सिर्फ मेरा ही नहीं, मेरे हस्बैंड का भी एक मंत्र है कि ज़रूरतमंद की मदद ज़रूर करो.